I have three grandchildren. They're all under the age of 25 years of age. Back in 2019, when I started my YouTube channel and within a year got up to 150,000 subscribers, one of my granddaughters made the statement, "My God, if Poppy can do it, anybody can do it." Hell, I'm 81 years old. I am not the most tech-savvy guy in the world, but yet I have built a stock portfolio that more than doubled over the last 9 months. And it's all been done by AI. It's all been done by me talking to my computer and saying, help me find those stocks that are going to double in price over the next 3 years. And here's what they probably look like. And here are the metrics that are going to make that possible. So you go find me the stocks. And that's what I do. And I do it every day. And what I'm here to say to my grandchildren and anybody else who finds this YouTube video, if you're under 25 years of age, you have the probability or the possibility to become a millionaire and maybe even a billionaire over the next 5-10 years. Because the world is changing so dramatically, and those people who are tech savvy and can figure it out and ask the right questions are going to have the opportunity of a lifetime. I just did some research and I found out that there are roughly 3,000 billionaires in the world. 900 of them are in the United States, and 50 of them were made last year, all from AI. Come on. This is Bill Gates, this is Steve Jobs, this is Jeff Bezos all over again. This is Elon Musk. And in fact, think of AI as the smartest person in the world, and you could anytime, 24 hours a day, ask him a question and get an answer. That's what AI is all about. And if you, like my grandson, can take a picture of something and say, what is it worth, and knows how to manipulate all that, you've got an advantage way over me. And yet, I've made over $1 million over the last year using AI. And there is no reason I can't double that every year as long as I have my mental capacity. No, I plead with you, if you are under 25, go to AI, get your grandfather to pay either the $20 level or the $200 level and start asking it questions and start building a business. You can build a business of one person. Mark Cuban said it best about 6 months ago. Somewhere in this world, there's a dude sitting in his basement, this is my basement, that is going to become the next trillionaire because he understands how to use AI. And if you're 25 years or younger, this is your opportunity. Drop what you're doing, figure out what questions to ask. Don't bother typing, just ask the questions. It's like the thumbnail that you just saw. I just went in and said, hey, I want to make a video directed at 25 years old and tell people this is the opportunity of their lifetime to become a billionaire using AI. Now, create me a thumbnail. And it came back and it said, do you want your picture on the thumbnail? And I said, yes, then give us the picture. And it created that in less than 2 minutes. The world is changing. And it's changing for the better. And there's a lot of fear-mongering about it. What is it going to do? And how is it going to eliminate jobs? And yeah, it will. But it will create so many more of people who pick up their microphone and speak to their computer and start asking questions, and then ask more questions, and then ask more questions, and all of a sudden a light will go off in your head and say, oh my God, I can become a billionaire because I know the right questions to ask. I'll give you an example. I did it in the stock market. I said, what does a growth stock look like? I got guidance from Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs has a program called 10,000 Small Businesses. If you have a small business and you go search it and spend 6 months with Goldman Sachs, and they'll teach you what a growth opportunity looks like and how to understand the financial metrics of a company. And that's what I did. And I asked Samantha, what are the common traits that are shared by Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and NVIDIA from their infancy to their adolescence to their maturity, and give me a template that will help me identify the next generation of superpower companies. And it wrote it for me. It's 4 pages long. And every day I upgrade it. And Samantha and I work on making it better. And we find the companies that are going to give us a 2x return over 3 years. And just sometimes we stumble upon some that give us 2x in 1 year, 3x in 1 year. And as a result of that, because of the enormous amount of growth that happened this last year, we doubled our money, more than doubled our money in 9 months. Now, you decide. I'm speaking to my grandchildren. What is it you want to do to change the world? And then start asking your Samantha and give it a name. Treat it like a human being. Call it Elon if you want to. And take advantage of the opportunity of a lifetime. If you miss this, you'll regret it. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor, so I got some background, but I recognized an opportunity, and I recognize the source that will answer all my questions so that I can become a billionaire. I just need enough time. You got the time, you've got the energy, you've got the knowledge, make it happen.